You guys, welcome back to another awesome video. So I have this interesting Litecoin project that I'm going to share with you guys, and right over here you'll notice that I've actually aimed an amount of Litecoin right here. But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a live withdrawal proof from this particular project and how you can make money from it. So let's click on the wallet section. Now on this board we have the withdrawal, have the deposit. Before I continue with the video, this particular project does not require you to make any investment, but if you want to make investment through the deposit session, that's basically to increase your level and also get to make money every single day. So we're going to click on the withdraw menu right over here, and on this spot we are going to input the amount. All right, then we're going to notice how many fee we're going to be deducted from our account, and also then the wallet address we're going to be withdrawing into. So I will be typing in the amount right here, and you can see. So I'll be typing in 0.177. all right, 00250. all right, now we are going to be charged this amount of Litecoin as our network fee, and we're going to be able to withdraw the rest. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hit on my Bybit account. Now I immediately use my Bybit account because I want to stack up my funds on this particular account right over here. So I'm going to click on the trading section, or let me just click on deposit menu, click on deposit with crypto. We're going to be using Litecoin, so we're going to head over straight to search for LTC. Now once I search for LTC, you'll see Litecoin pop up. We're going to click on to copy the wallet address and then head back to the project. Now the next step is for us to paste the wallet address right here. Once we paste it right here, then you're going to notice that a minimum withdrawal amount on this particular project is about 0.005 Litecoin. All right, and I've actually passed the minimum withdrawal amount, so I'm just going to click on to withdraw, and you can see at the top right here that I have successfully been able to withdraw. Now the withdrawal process automatically takes a little bit of time. It will get sent straight into my wallet, and when it gets sent in, I'm going to show you guys a proof of this in my Telegram community. Now, saying that, everybody watching this video, you can easily support me by following my Telegram community. All you have to do is just to come to my Telegram channel right over here, give me a follow. I drop trading signals for you guys every single day, so at least you have options to still make money from trading. All right, so if you're watching this video, stick around, join the Telegram channel, and get every single information you basically need. Now other things you can do on the project are going to be explained, and I'm going to teach you guys how to basically make money from here. Now I made all this money all from taking out faucets, short links, surveys, and games, and you can get to do the same thing for yourself. Now for instance, if you want to take out faucet section, you click on the faucet, you have options to claim faucet. All right, so every single faucet you're claiming depends on the level that you're currently at. So I am on the level 1, and if I get to claim any faucet for now, automatically it's going to reflect this amount of Litecoin in my balance. So for level 1, this is the amount of Litecoin in. For level 2, this is also the amount of Litecoin in. For level 3, this is the amount of Litecoin in. All down to level 8, this is the amount of Litecoin in. And remember, this particular project is 100% free, which means all these Litecoin you're claiming are all free. All right, so as from the last time I claimed Litecoin from this particular project, the timer is going to load down. It's just going to take about 1 hour, and within 1 hour of my time, I'll be able to come back and claim another one again. So you can set a timer within 1 hour of each time and continue claiming, so you don't get to miss any of this opportunity. So after claiming this Litecoin, the next thing I will need to do is for me to come to this three-dotted line. I have where they say short links. So if you click on the short links menu, you get access to visit short links, and each of these short links come with different firm prices. So for instance, this particular short links, this is the amount of Litecoin you're going to be seeing for completing the short links. This one is the amount of Litecoin you see, this one is the amount of Litecoin you see, and each of these short links, this is what you're going to be required to do. Click on the short links, you're going to be redirected to different pages or a particular interesting website which is being advertised by this particular website, which is called EASYLITE.io. Now once you stay on that particular website for quite some time, there's going to be a countdown, and once that countdown completes, you can easily get to earn this amount of Litecoin without even doing anything. Just stay there for a certain period of time and you get paid. All right, so this is all about short links. Now if it comes to the game section, you can get to play games such as the dice. By clicking on the dice menu, you'll get access to play dice game. All right, all you have to do, that I've actually been sharing with you guys, just make sure to push this to this menu, and then you come over to this section right here. You input the amount of Litecoin you want to actually play, and that is basically all. Alright, now once you enter the amount of Litecoin, you can continue and play. Other games are still provided. You can check right over here. Alright, so this is the mine. If you get to click on this section right over here, you're going to be able to open up the mine, and if you scroll down, these are the boxes. Alright, so when you set a period amount of money into your account, what you're going to be doing is that you can come over to your own account and then get to select boxes that are going to end up with gems. And once you hit some equivalent amount, you can click on the cash out to cash out from your own account. Meanwhile, we have other method of making money, which is the survey. These are available within time or based on regions. All right, so you can luckily get to meet surveys that are available within your region, and at the same time you can actually get a direct survey website. All right, so the other thing that I would like to share with you guys on this particular project is that they have the tax menu, they have the bonus section. So there are some simple tasks you can actually like participate, and you get some amount of Litoshi. All right, so you can basically see right over here. You can read through all this, all right. So give us a review on Trust Wallet, go to the website Trust Wallet, log in, and then give a rating and all that. Now that is something that I would love to share with you guys. All right, so you can see right here, a lot of people can actually come up to their own account to make a whole lot of money. You can participate in this and generate money. Now on the bonus menu, you can also participate to generate bonus every single day from this particular project. If it comes to withdrawing and deposit, I have actually shared with you guys every single thing. But for deposit, if you want to deposit, you click on the wallet, and once you click on the wallet, it's going to show your deposit. Then you're going to be seeing the wallet address. Copy the wallet address, and then you can basically get to deposit straight up into your own account. All right, now other things you need to know from here are all explained, except for the referral. Now if it comes to you referring, click on the referral program right over on this spot. You're going to be seeing an option where you are going to be getting a unique invite link. Now by introducing your friends to the project, you share about 10% of your referral commission, users completing faucet survey short links, and you earn about 0.5% of user switcher. So you make 100% free amount of money from here without even a single deposit. But if you have good amount of referrals, you can make bigger amount. Now this kind of project are 100% simple to use, very straightforward, easy to use, and also legitimate. So give this a try. Let me know in the comment section if the particular project was helpful, and at the same time make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So games that are provided are easy to play. Make sure to follow up and also make money from it. Peace out, guys.